Nathan, those aren't supposed to be opened yet. Nathan, you're being naughty. Those are not yours to open yet. You're going to get in trouble. Uh-oh, Nathan. Mommy's going to tell Daddy on you. Uh-oh. 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 You're in big trouble, mister.